Want to sell online courses with membership-based access? In this video, we'll show you how to use MemberPress with Academy LMS. Before activating the Academy LMS MemberPress integration add-on switch, you need to install and activate the MemberPress WordPress plugin. Go to Academy LMS, Add-ons, find MemberPress integration and switch it on. This tells Academy LMS to honor MemberPress membership rules when restricting course access. You will need membership tiers that define access permissions. Navigate to MemberPress Memberships in your WordPress admin. Click Add New to create a new membership level. Membership details. Title. Name your plan. This is shown to users. Description. Explain what's included. This content appears on the membership page. Pricing and duration. Price. Set the membership cost. Billing type. Choose one-time or recurring. Access. Define access length, lifetime, fixed expiry, or time-based. Membership options. Registration. Customize sign-up button text, thank you pages or welcome emails. Permissions. Control who can purchase this plan. Price box. Adjust how the plan appears on pricing or group pages. Advanced. Redirect users after login or hide the plan from public view. Organization. Categories and tags. Organize memberships for easy management. Page attributes. Choose a WordPress template if needed. Featured image. Add a visual for the membership plan. Click Publish to activate the membership or save it as a draft if it's not ready yet. Assign a MemberPress to Academy LMS courses. Go to Academy LMS Courses. Open an existing course or add new. On the course edit screen, course title. Course description. Locate the course access type settings area. Instead of free, paid, public, select MMP. Select Membership. Premium. Course category. Course duration. Set the expected time duration for this course. Maximum students. Maximum number of students who can enroll in this course. Difficulty level. Choose course level. Language. Mention the language of the course. Click Publish button. Here's the preview of the created membership with MemberPress. Students will now need to purchase the selected membership to access and enroll in this course. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Academy LMS tutorials.